So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So let's prepare this beautiful and crunchy plantain chips here. So if you're a plantain chips lover, let me know in the comment section, because I'm a lover of plantain chips here. But this day I decided to make it myself, guys. You see how beautiful this is looking. This I didn't add any color, no. The ones you buy outside, guys, they add a lot of food color. Yeah, this food color is the cause of all this cancer and kidney problem. If you are watching this video, stop buying all these things outside. So this is my plantain, yes. So guys, I'm going to be peeling the plantain off camera here. So as you can see, so this is my turmeric. The turmeric is going to give you that beautiful yellow color. Instead of getting the food color, use turmeric. And also I'm going to add a little bit of salt here, not too much, before my husband will start complaining. Yes, so after I added a little bit of water, and then I'm going to mix it very well, and then we will proceed to the frying process. I remember the first time I decided to fry plantains, I didn't know that you slice and you drop it inside the oil. I sliced it and put everything inside water, and guys, everything everything stick together that day. I was so sad. Yeah, I said, but as you all know, we learn from our mistakes here. So this is how I slice mine. Make sure you slice it as thin as you can. Yeah, and also if you're not comfortable with this method that I'm using, use your chopping board. As you slice, you drop it inside the oil. Don't slice it like bulk and they decide to transfer, or everything will stick together. So make sure after as you stir, as you slice, you drop it inside the oil. As you can see, you saw me doing here. So here, after slicing everything inside the oil, you will go in with your turmeric and the salt water. See, this will give you that beautiful yellow color. You don't need any food color. You don't need food color. That turmeric will give you that beautiful yellow color that you want here. And turmeric is also very healthy for the body. Yeah, so as you can see, our plantain chips is looking so beautiful, even though we have not finished frying. But as you can see, this is looking so beautiful. Guys, what do you think? Yeah, rate me in the comment section. Did I try? I want to know in the comment section. So make sure you continue stirring, please, or else it will stick together. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the first fry. Yeah, so I decided I have to bring it out because it was crunchy. Yeah, don't leave it too long in the oil before it will start burning. Yeah, so as you can see, this is me slicing, because I'm used to this method of slicing. Even I have chopping board in the house, but sometimes anytime I'm cooking, I forget that I have chopping board. I use my hand. I slice things inside my palm or my hand. So this is how I cook in the house. Yes, so I decided to I know this is how plantain chips people slice it here, but this is my own way. I love it this way. I don't like the straight one. No, I like it this way. Yes, so as you can see, this is me slicing. And also, please don't put too much, or don't slice too much inside the oil. At some point, that was what I experienced, guys. It took so long to fry, but at some point when I decided to reduce the quantity I was frying, it didn't take much time. So if you don't want to spend too much time, make sure you don't put a lot, or you don't put a lot at a time. Yeah, you see, mine is a lot in this pot. It's a lot. Yeah, so it took a longer time. Yeah, as I say, make sure you stir it here. So this is the second fry here, and see how beautiful it's looking, guys. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this, guys? Did I try? Me, I know I tried. I've given myself 10 out of 10. Yeah. See how beautiful this is looking. So this is how you are going to fry until you finish everything. I love to snack. I love snacking. Yeah. And I want to snack something that is very healthy. Yeah, because I snack a lot and I love plantain chips. So I decided to make this plantain chips, and guys, it came out so good. It was so crunchy and it was so yummy. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section if you're also a plantain chips lover. Comment down below. This is how it's looking. See how beautiful it's looking. Don't forget to share, like, and drop me a comment, guys. Rate me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.